What do you look for in an SUV? Style? Comfort? Luxury? Versatility for sure? And maybe worry-free electric capability. Well, what if I told you that there's a vehicle that packs all of those together? Meet the ROX 01, a new energy SUV that's made to empower your next adventure, whether it's in the city or outdoors. If you follow the story of ROX, then you know that they're fully into new energy vehicles, partnering with the world's biggest automotive and component brands to produce something new geared for your desire to go outdoors. ROX believes in being empowered by nature, and their brand's vision is to become the world's leading outdoor lifestyle brand. ROX is looking to expand, and they're hoping to showcase what they've built to many different countries across different weather and terrain conditions. The ROX 01 has two variants, luxury and sport. And on the surface, yeah, sure, they look the same, but stay with us and you'll find out the differences between the two. But first, what's similar? They're big, they're boxy, it has a prominent grille up front like classic SUVs, but with modern touches like slim headlights, sleek lines, and of course big tires. The ROX 01 is a big flagship 4x4. It's 5.3 meters in length. It has a long wheelbase and a tall height. And it doesn't only look strong, it is strong because 87% of the body of the ROX 01 is built with high-strength steel. Very high rigidity, which means extra safety for you and your family. Now we take a look under the hood of the ROX 01. You'll find here a 1.5-liter turbo engine. But remember that this is an EREV. Don't mistake it for a PHEV or your common hybrid vehicle. The engine here does not propel the car. It only generates power to the battery. That being said, let's talk about range. Running on pure electric, the ROX 01 can reach up to 235 kilometers. But if you have a fully charged battery and a full tank, the hybrid range can reach up to 1,150 kilometers. When it comes to power, you get 476 horsepower and 750 Newton meters of torque. That can get you 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.5 seconds. We get to the back of the SUV and we'll find that it still screams luxury. Clean panels, stylish lights, and you get easy access to your spare tire. Now let's open the tailgate. You'll find that this SUV has 3 rows, the last of which you can drop to make room for extra cargo. Look at the space that you have there. And the tailgate has a soft close function, but I want you to remember what you're seeing here on the luxury variant because that's a stark difference that the sport model has. Now let's talk about what sets the variants apart. On the sport model, you'll find all-terrain tires as compared to the all-season tires you'll find on the luxury. There's also a roof rack, and you can add on a ladder and a cargo box. The ROX 01 is one of the first factory vehicles we know where they envisioned fitting adventure accessories from the start. And this SUV is really like a blank canvas. All right, remember what you saw on the luxury model, right? Let's check out what's on the sport. Right off the bat, you'll see the difference because on the sport variant, you get a table. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh, that's perfect for camping, but it's not limited to that. If you just want to chill at some place and you might need a table for it, well, you have that. And then you drop this down further and you get a workstation. The ROX 01 Sport variant even comes with pouches where you'll find camping essentials inside it. My personal favorite feature, you see the water here because you can make tea, you can make coffee, and it even has an outlet here. It really is made for your outdoor adventure. Now we're inside the cabin of the ROX 01, where you'll find that the first thing that jumps at you, the elegant white and black trim. Absolutely beautiful. But if you take a look at everything else, it's minimal. There's not a lot, even on the steering wheel, not a lot of buttons. Yes, you do get wireless charging here, but the star, I think, of the show here is the 15.7 display, where you pretty much get everything you need. I mean, I can control the AC from here, Cooling on the seats, you'll find it here, individually controlled. Your radio, of course, it shows you how much distance is left in your battery, even in your tank. And then you can go on camping mode. Open up the dual moonroof. You go back, so many things that you can tinker around with here. The drive setting. Of course, this vehicle has capability of driving in snow, mud, rock, sand, and water as deep as 700 millimeters. So really, don't get deceived by the minimal design of the interior, because this vehicle is packed with so many features. I also have to tell you about the features of this car. Here on the seat, it's already so comfortable, but if it's not yet geared to your comfort, well, it's a 14-way electric adjustment driver seat, which just ensures that at some point of adjusting all 14 different adjustments, well, you'll find what's comfortable to you. Now let's go to the adjustment of the air conditioning. It's a tri-zone air conditioning, so you can adjust what you like here, what your passenger likes, and even what the rear passengers like when it comes to temperature. You also get a 360 cam. Make sure you get to check out the surroundings of the car. And just so many things. Look at everything that's tucked into this. Again, you'll think there's not a lot, but there really is. Like, for example, the USB ports. Wherever you sit on this vehicle, you'll have a way to charge your phone or your devices. Here underneath, you get a USB-A and USB-C port. Something that we always look for now when we're purchasing vehicles is, of course, the intelligent driving features. Well, the ROX 01 has lane merge assistance, adaptive cruise control, rear collision warning, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist. You also get blind spot monitoring and door open warning. So, sometimes you'll get bugged by the different warnings, but this car is looking out for you, and it will tell you when you have to be aware of something. And of course, you get your essentials, your anti-lock brake system, your hill hold control, your vehicle dynamic control, electronic brake force distribution, and emergency stop signal. Now we move to the second row, and I just have to get to it immediately. With one press of a button, zero gravity seats. I'm not pressing anything anymore. The front seat is adjusting, giving way to me, so I can lounge back. And while I'm in this position, forgive me for lounging like this, but I'll let you in on some of the other features as I get comfy here. You also get a 15.6 monitor that mirrors whatever you see up front. And this is even capable of wired projection. You can plug in your gaming device, your gaming console. You can play on the go with this screen. And again, controls on the AC. You get USB-A and USB-C charging ports. It's this panel right here that gives you all the control to the seats. So captain seats, and both of them zero gravity. What more can you ask for? I'll come back later. I'll just take a nap. Now we're here in the third row, and as you can see, still ample space for me to sit here. And as promised by ROX, you still get USB charging ports. There's a cup holder. And if you guys are new parents like me, well, you'll be happy to know that the seats in the second and third row, all of them ISOFIX compatible. Now we're inside the sport model, and we'll check out some of the differences. First of all, of course, it's orange and black trimming for this variant. And then the seats a little different as well, but you still get electronic adjustment on these seats. In the third row, you get 3 seats instead of just 2 on the luxury. So the sport variant is a 7-seater compared to luxury being a 6-seater. But if you really want to know, these chairs still have that massage function. Okay, now we're getting the feel of the ROX 01 on the road. My first time driving it, and we haven't driven it for a long distance yet, but I have to say I'm happy so far. Of course, it's quiet since it's electric, and the suspension is top-notch. I think that's really where it's set apart, itself apart. For now, as we showed you earlier, there are different modes to the suspension as well. We have it on intelligent right now, so it's detecting what kind of setting, what kind of mode it needs to perform at with the conditions that we're driving. Well, we're just in the city anyway, so it's just easy driving. First time taking the ROX or the ROX 01 on the road. So that's the ROX 01, a new energy four-wheel drive vehicle that's made for adventure. Any adventure, no matter the terrain. If we haven't convinced you yet that this is the ultimate all-in-one electric SUV, well, you gotta visit the showroom and schedule a demo with ROX Motor Philippines. With ROX, you can empower your adventure and leave nothing but footprints. Or maybe just tire treads. This has been Jot for Auto Industria. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.